Hi everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have so many fun things to show you that you can get on Amazon. I have everything from things for your kitchen, some fun gadgets, and of course, some hair pieces. Let's get started. Start with the obvious. Okay, this is a ponytail clip. Okay, now I know this isn't my color. I'm eventually going to get highlights back in my hair, so I did get something with a little with the highlights in it. But anyway, so this is a little ponytail, and I love this length because it's not too short and it's not too long. But basically, it's a claw. You put your hair in a ponytail and you literally just clip it on your head. And there you go, and there's a ponytail. I mean, how easy is that? I love it. It's really comfortable, it doesn't hurt my hair, and it's fun. The next thing I wanna show you is also a hairpiece. And this it's a wispy bang. For those of you who have your hair, don't have bangs, it's kind of a nice little wispy bang. And then for me, it's because I'm very thin at the front, so I actually add it so that I have a little more extra hair in the front. And it's actually so that it's on, and it literally just kind of blends in with the rest of my hair. This one I kind of wear at mid-length. So ponytails, it depends. Like I'll put it sometimes at the very top of my head if I want a really high ponytail, or I might put it lower. But this one, I don't like it too low, but you can have it those lower. So I like it at a regular bun length. So it's literally like a scrunchie, but I love that it's dense and it feels real. I love the color. It's a nice color and it goes with my hair really well. So basically you just take your ponytail that you have and you just put this over it and camouflage your ponytail. Oh, I have this very sophisticated bun on the back of my head. And I love it. So, and it's comfortable. It too is comfortable. And I love wearing this. All right, and the last hair piece I want to show you, and I'm gonna change my hair because this one I like to wear on the top of my head. Okay, so this one is the same thing as the other scrunchie, except this is what they call a messy bun. So it also has long strings of hair with it, but it's the same concept. It's like a scrunchie, and this too is very dense, and this too has amazing coloring, so I love it. But this one, I like to have my hair kind of stick out with it. And I do like to wear it on the top of my head because it's just cute that way. I just like to wear it on the top of my head. And look at this, I love it. It's super comfy. I go ahead and leave this on. All right, so let's talk about kitchen gadgets. I have a couple strainers. I even brought a pan so you can see. So these are literally clip-on colanders. How cool is that? So they actually have metal clips. If you can see, metal clips inside. They're pretty secure. So I brought a pan so you can see. Basically, what you'll do is you clip one end on one side and on the other side. And this kind of puffs up a little bit. So when you have vegetables that you're boiling, or noodles that you're boiling, or anything that you're boiling, beans, whatever, it's this way. So you literally strain it and it keeps it in here and gets rid of the water here, and it's awesome. So, and it doesn't take a whole lot of room, and you didn't have to dig out your big strainer, which is also awesome. But this particular set comes with 2, so I got this one. And I think it's a really nifty gadget. Now while we're on the subject of strainers, I've had my strainers since I've been married. It's been over 30 years and I have not changed them, and I just felt like it's time to update them. I struggle a lot with my strainers. I have where you're dumping, I keep my strainer in the sink and then I dump my pasta in it, and I don't know if this happens to you, but sometimes the water comes back up. And it's really gross to think about, but then you have to hurry up and lift it up. Now, what I typically do is just literally drizzle the water and try to do it slowly. Well, that's a pain too. So, I discovered this strainer. Now this one's really cool because look, it's compact, but it's still very sturdy. So you literally pop out the strainer and you have a regular strainer. It's a decent size. I'm gonna say it probably holds a couple pounds of pasta, easy. But here's what I love about this. The sides come out. So guess what? This is gonna sit on your sink and the bottom won't ever touch the sink. And you don't ever have the stuff coming back up into your noodles. And I like that. But it's very sturdy too. You know, you'd think that it's gonna collapse in the middle of your stuff, but it's not. And it's, so yeah, so then it compacts. And the nice thing about this particular set, it comes with 2 more strainers. And again, they are collapsible. So that's a decent size too. You can do your little vegetables. And then also there's one with a handle. So you kind of the same thing. And again, it's a pretty, you know, pretty nice strainer. So, and then you have all 3 in this small enough space that you literally can stick it inside a cabinet. The thing I want to show you that's for the kitchen is a spoon rest. This spoon rest is not like any other spoon rest. It actually can hold 1, 2, 3, 4 spoons. Typically you have 3 or 4 burners going at the same time, right? So how many times do you use a spoon rest and then you have another spoon and you don't have anywhere to put it, so you have to grab a dish or a paper towel and just kind of stick it on there. Okay, we don't use paper towels now because there's a shortage. They're a hot commodity. This way you can actually have each one of them have it, and it's in a compact area, and this is a kind of nifty little thing to have. The thing I want to show you are, okay, I have been in search of a good steak knife. I have had so many that they've either corroded, they don't cut anymore, you can't sharpen them, and I finally found the best steak knives, and they're so inexpensive. It's a straight blade, which also means that you can sharpen them, but these cut your steak like butter. They don't corrode, they don't rust, and they're super heavy, they're solid. These are my favorite. I recommend these highly. Next thing I want to show you, it's funny because when I first got this, I didn't understand it. I didn't think it was that great of a deal, but now I think it's amazing. And it is a garlic press, but it's like a rocker. Here's the cool thing about this garlic press. You can take 4 or 5 garlics and literally put them on your cutting board and just rock this thing back and forth a couple times. And all your garlic that you're gonna want is on the inside. You just take a knife and scrape it. And then on the bottom, you'll have the skin, which you just throw away. But you can get it done in 2 seconds. Oh my God, game changer. This is amazing. It's a great garlic press. All right, let's go to some gadgets, some fun gadgets. I'll admit, I found this on one of the YouTubers' Amazon hauls. Except I found a different one. I didn't find the exact same one they did, but I ended up finding one very similar to it. But it's a USB lighter. So basically, you charge it. You don't ever have to get butane, you don't have to throw it away and get new ones. You just recharge this. And this is a really sleek looking one. I love this. So here's how it works. There is a safety button on the bottom. So when you undo that, the blue light comes on. And then look at this. Okay, so here's how it works. You take a candle, okay, and literally put it right to it. Look at that. How neat is that? It is the coolest thing. I love it. I have to take medication every day, whether it's my supplements or I'm on prescription medication, so I have to have them every day. I'm one of those people that have to use the Sunday through Saturday pill cases, and I keep them in my purse, but I hate the way they look, and I always feel like an older person having to have my medication with me, but I do, and I mean, it's what I take, but I want it concealed somehow, and I found this. Look how nice this is. This is how it works. So it has a little button that you push. So it has two. This is your weekend. So it has Saturday. I don't know if you can see it. It has Saturday and Sunday on this side. Okay, and then this way, when you go this way, it has the rest of the week. So some of them don't have enough space for all of them, but these, it has a nice capacity. It looks sleek. You can put it in your purse. I don't know, I like it. I think it's nice. So excited when I discovered that. This is a air freshener for your car. You would put it on your vent, and if you look at the very top, there's a little hole at the top. What makes this unique is it comes with this bottle, and basically what you do is you put in your fragrance that you like, and then you fill it with your fragrance that you want your car to smell like. So it's kind of nice, it's kind of customized. So the next thing, these canisters you can probably get anywhere. You can get them at Home Goods or Target, anywhere. You can find these anywhere in different colors. I'm not sure if I got this on, I don't think I got this on Amazon, but I'll put a link to this where I got this one. But here's what I did that made it a little bit snazzier. And that is, I added this knob. Isn't that pretty? It's got crystals, it's gold. I really just added this knob to the lid, and it just converted this canister into something a little more fancy. Basically, I did put a hole in the middle. This is just like a regular drawer pull, or it's all it is. It is a weighty, it too is weighty. I love weighty things, but super gorgeous. I will warn you, I will tell you one thing, this happened to me when I was drilling a hole in this. I don't know what are in these canisters lids, but my drill bit got really, really hot. So just advising you to please be careful when you do it. Don't touch the drill bit when you're drilling. That is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. And until next time, bye-bye.